Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. And one of the questions I get asked is do I have to call the police after a car accident? And the answer to that is no. And I'm going to tell you why. I mean, first of all, there is a constitutional right, Fifth Amendment right, that says that you never have to talk to the police. So the government or insurance companies, they can't compel you to talk to the police after an accident. So there's no need to call the police if you don't want to. I mean, is it helpful? In many cases it is very helpful, because then somebody who wasn't involved can come out and they can get statements, they can document things, they can take pictures, they can write up a report. It's definitely useful. And if you've been in an accident, like if I were in an accident, I would call the police to get it documented. But if you haven't done it, it's not the end of the world, and we've pursued a lot of claims on behalf of people where the police haven't been called. Sometimes it's not necessary. Sometimes an accident's on private property. Sometimes a car is drivable, or sometimes it could be dangerous. You could be on a busy road, and standing on the side of a busy road could cause another accident. So don't worry if you haven't called the police. You don't have to call the police after an accident. It is oftentimes a good thing to do. I know I would do it, but don't worry if you haven't. And if you've been in a car accident in Connecticut, you can give me a call, 860 471 8333.